Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on preventing your screen from auto-locking on the iPhone 12. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. It can be super frustrating when you are reading or doing things on your phone and it suddenly goes dim and locks itself. I will show you how to prevent this from happening altogether and how to make the time before it auto-locks longer. To do this, open up the Settings app and scroll down to and tap on Display and Brightness. In the Display and Brightness settings, tap on Auto Lock. You now have the option to change the auto lock time to 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, or never. If you want your screen to never auto lock, then select Never. Your screen will now stay on until you lock it manually. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone 12 tips and tricks.